Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Asus monitor no sound. So it is pretty simple and easy. So what you will need to do is locate these buttons as you can see and click this from the right side, the second one, and here click again. So you go to the menu and with these two arrows navigate through the menu until you found this icon. Click enter, so it is the third one from the left side. Click on that one, and as you can see, let me focus it. As you can see, if you use arrows and go down a little bit, make sure that your volume is at 100%. So use the arrows key to go up to 100%, then click this again and go back. And if you don't hear sound, what you can do is go to the more tab with the arrows, click this one arrow, and as you can see, there is all reset. Click enter and you will be able to reset your monitor and your sound should fix. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix Asus monitor sound not working. So yep, so thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.